My name is Abdul Wahab. I was born in Medan 68 years before. I've been in Aceh about 4 or 5 months ago because in Medan I meet somebody, someone. He told about Aceh, but Aceh I know from long time ago when Ayah Daud here in DITI. I always learn about him, and I love Aceh. That's why I go to Aceh. First time I live in Masjid Baitur Rahman, and then I get sick there. Somebody brought me to Kesdam, and Kesdam people brought me up here. Before I was a seaman. I've been around the world before. I'm joined in the Greek ship. I'm very happy here because all people like and love me. My plan after in Aceh, and then I want to try back to Medan. But Aceh is my place for die.